Welcome back to Cooking with Rashi. Today we're making 4 refreshing mint drinks that are perfect for hot days or honestly anytime you just want a cold refreshing beverage. They're great for parties or hosting as well because they're simple but they still look really impressive. Each drink recipe comes together super quick and fast, and I'll share a few small tips along the way that make a big difference in flavor. So definitely save this video for later, and if you like quick, easy recipes, you might as well subscribe while you're here. Before we get mixing, it's important to know that mint is delicate, so if we over blend mint, it can turn slightly bitter. So you'll want to blend everything first and then add the mint at the end. So don't over blend your mint, blend it briefly at the end to keep the fresh flavor intact. First up, we are making a cucumber mint lemon refresher. To your blender, you will add fresh cucumber, fresh lemon, sweetener of your choice, and a little water. Cucumbers naturally have lots of water and blend easily, so you don't need much water here, just enough to help everything blend smoothly. We'll blend until it's completely smooth and there are no large pieces left. Now we'll add our fresh mint leaves. Blend again, but just briefly. A few seconds is enough. This step really makes a huge difference because if you blend the mint for too long, it can start to taste slightly bitter. So keeping it short helps everything stay fresh and balanced. At this point, you can strain the mixture if you prefer a smoother texture. It's not required, but it does give it more of that light juice-like feel. Pour it over a glass filled with ice and fresh cucumber slices, and there you have it, a really light, refreshing beverage, especially perfect for a hot day. Next, we're making a blackberry mint mojito. Start by muddling lime wedges, fresh blackberries, and mint leaves. You don't want to press too hard here, just enough to release the juices from the blackberries and the oils from the mint. Once that's done and muddled, add it to your glass along with ice. We'll top it off with a lemon lime soda like Sprite for that refreshing fizz. Give it a light stir just to bring everything together. You can already see the color from the blackberries mixing in, which makes this one look really pretty as well. Finish it off with a little extra mint and a slice of lime on top. This one is bright, slightly tangy, and has that crisp, fizzy finish. Next, we're making a watermelon mint cooler. We'll start by adding fresh watermelon into our blender along with some ice and a splash of water. Watermelon already has a lot of natural water in it, so you really don't need much. Blend until it's completely smooth. Once you have your base, add a lime along with your fresh mint leaves. Blend again briefly just to bring that mint flavor in without making it bitter. At this point, you can strain it if you want a smoother consistency, especially if your watermelon had seeds or a lot of pulp. Pour it over ice and garnish with a watermelon slice. You could also add some additional fresh mint leaves. This one is naturally sweet, really juicy, and super tasty. Finally, we have a pineapple mint chiller. We'll start by adding fresh pineapple into our blender along with ice and your choice of sweetener. Your pineapple might be really sweet, so be sure to taste it before adding any sweetener because you might not need it. We'll blend this until it's nice and smooth. Pineapple can be a little thicker, so once that's blended, go ahead and add some water to loosen it up to your preferred consistency. Now we'll add our fresh mint leaves and again blend briefly, just enough to incorporate the mint without over mixing it. If you prefer a smoother texture, you can strain it here as well. Pour it over ice and finish it with a squeeze of lime or lime slices in the drink to balance out the sweetness. I also like to garnish with a lime slice, and this one is ready to drink. It's tropical, slightly tangy, and really smooth. And there you have it, 4 easy mint drinks you can make right at home. Each one has a completely different flavor, so it really just depends on what you're in the mood for. If you've got fresh mint sitting in your fridge, this is a great way to actually use it instead of letting it go to waste. Let me know in the comments which drink you'd try first, and be sure to subscribe to Cooking with Rashi for more recipes just like this. I'll see you soon in the next one.